my name is not Chumley, it's Brent. So I am the chief auto body prep guy. The couch is my office. Okay, this is one thing I'm a pretty easy to get along with guy. But this is one thing that I have to have, and I get pretty grumpy about it if I have to stand up. Or if I have to sit on a stool that goes up your rear end in about 5 minutes and you can't take it anymore. We here at Jmoto have a service that we offer to paint your bike by world famous Joe Morris. We have to sand everything by hand. We take off a little bit of the first clear coat, so Joe has something to adhere his acrylic paint to. I just got a haircut. A bagger is a big bike, and we take all the pieces apart. Hodge does that, and it takes probably a good day or two working on it, here and there. If you did it all at one time and it really needed to get it done, busted ass, it'd be less than a day. It'd be a day.
Brent, wake up.